Hey, and welcome to this video. In this video, I want to show you my Christmas and New Year planner Notion template, which you can get at Greasy Templates Marketplace. I will leave the link to the template in the comments. So, the Christmas New Year planner Notion template has two sections, organizational section and personal planner. Inside the organizational section, you will find different blogs related to planning the holidays, and personal planner is more for your personal goals and resolutions for the upcoming year. So if you go inside the organizational section, here you can see presents planner, so planning and tracking presents with the purchase status if it was given or sent, and wrapped. Then we have a Christmas card list for sending Christmas cards to your relatives and friends with address, phone number, and status created, received, or sent. Then we have the cleaning checklist. So to start the new year fresh with the action items like bedroom, whether it was done or not, and the action items here. The budget planner, items, budget, actual spent amount, and the difference. Shopping list, so with all the ingredients or um, presents or anything that you need to buy. With a shop where you can buy it and quantity. And cooking timetable and daily planner, more like time boxing template for the Christmas and New Year's. And then in the personal planner, the template has three sections. So the first one is areas of life. So here you can define your area of life and the actual things that should be done in the upcoming year. So just list down what needs to be done, if it's before or after the new year. And then here is a goal tracker section where you can set goals for the upcoming year, priority level, target date by which you want to achieve the goal, and type, whether it's a long-term or short-term goal, reasons why you want to achieve this goal, and the actual milestones with the target date. And also the template has resolutions section here. So you list down what you will achieve or what you will do in the upcoming year, and then plan your goals around those resolutions. So yeah, this is my Christmas and New Year's planner Notion system, and I hope you liked it. And you can get it at Greasy Templates Marketplace. I will leave the link in the comments. Thank you for watching this video.